Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD in 20 hours using the ribbon interface. This video covers sections 1.5 through 1.7. Check your YouTube settings, click on this little gear, and under the quality setting, set it to HD. Sometimes you'll find that 720 is actually better than 1080. So you'll have to play around with that to see what works best for you. This is where we left off last time. You can move around in the drawing by holding down the center wheel on your mouse, and you'll get this little hand and you can grab the drawing and move it around. You can zoom in and out by scrolling the center wheel. So let's get our drawing now, which is the one off to the left, back into the center of the screen. We're going to use the offset tool again, which is on the modify palette of the home ribbon. Click on that and then read the command line. It asks you to specify a distance, and we are going to put in 6'6", so that's 6 apostrophe 6. Apostrophe is the symbol for feet in the architectural drawing system. Then we are going to enter. Click on this upper line, and anywhere below it will create another line. Now let's escape and click the offset button again. This time we're going to type 5 foot, enter. Click on this center vertical line and then off to the left, anywhere. Doesn't matter where you click. It just wants to know which side you're going to offset to. And click and then escape. Click on the trim button here and enter right away. You have to enter immediately for trim to work this way. And we are going to trim out some lines here, here, and here. Now we're going to create some wall thicknesses. The walls are 3 1/2 inch thick. They call them 4-inch walls, but the framing lumber is 3 1/2 inches. So we're going to click on the offset button and read the command line. It's asking you for your offset distance. Type 3.5 and enter. We don't have to put in inches because inches are the default. So any number that you put in will automatically be inches unless you designate some other increment. So let's click on this line here, then to the inside, and we're going to click here and on the inside, and we're just going to go around and we're going to repeat that all the way around. This line here we're going to offset to the left. This line here we're going to offset to the left. This one above, this one to the left. And then let's escape. Now let's click on the trim button again and enter immediately. That turns it into a trimming tool. And we're going to go around and we're going to clean out the corners of our walls, the intersections of our walls. And this is just a standard for architectural drawings. So I'm going to go around and do that all the way around. And I'm going to pause and take care of that and then come back. So I have trimmed out all of these intersections. So let me get this one up here, with some exceptions, and that being down here at the bottom. This area is the porch, so I'm going to highlight these two by clicking on them, and then I'm going to hit the delete button on my keyboard could also use the erase tool up here. Okay, now we're going to make another copy of this for later use. So let's click on the copy button on the modify palette, and we are going to click to the lower right, and then we're going to pull a green selection window up and click to the upper left, and then enter. We'll click in the center, and I'm going to scroll out a little bit and come over here and place a copy and then escape. And then I'm going to go back to our center drawing.